Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Thursday, June 13. Bank of Jamaica Governor Brian Winter is assuring the country that there is no need for alarm at the movement of the exchange rate of the Jamaican dollar.
I want to reassure you that the depreciation in the exchange rate thus far has been in keeping with our expectations and the policy objective of ensuring that goods and services produced locally can be sold at competitive prices in the global market. This is absolutely essential for export-led growth.
Mr. Winter was speaking at the Jamaica Exporters Association Awards ceremony held in Kingston on Tuesday. He said the central bank had been getting reports from companies that were benefiting from the adjustments in the exchange rate. BOJ's governor added that the bank was committed to a flexible exchange rate regime, but assured that it remained watchful over the potential short-term negative impact of the exchange rate movements on the standard of living. Government intends to table a new Building Act before the end of this financial year. This follows a review of the current Building Act and other regulations and is in keeping with the charge by Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller to fast-track its implementation. Local Government Minister Noel Arscott says drafting instructions were issued to the Chief Parliamentary Council in March.
The bill will incorporate the relevant provisions of the Kingston and St. Andrew Building Act and Parish Council Building Act. These legislations will be repealed on the passage of the Act.
Petrojam Limited will be rolling out a new fuel grade later this month. On June 24, motorists whose vehicles were made to use ultra-low sulfur diesel ULSD fuel will be able to operate their automobiles to manufacturer specification. The announcement was made on Tuesday as Petrojam's production manager Telroy Morgan addressed a JIS think tank session.
There has been a cry for some time for better environmentally friendly fuels, and Petrojam has heard that. We have acted positively.
The rollout of the ULSD fuel will also have the benefit of enhancing the country's air quality, as significantly less sulfur will get into the atmosphere from diesel exhaust. The cost of the imported ULSD fuel will be slightly higher than regular diesel and will carry a light yellow color. As of June 17, Petrojam will add a red dye to regular diesel to make it clearly distinguished from the ULSD. The Health Ministry is carrying out a series of public consultations to find sustainable ways of financing the public health sector and provide quality care. Already, recommendations have come to establish a national health insurance scheme and use the penalty collected through the courts from persons convicted of violence-related injury cases. There is also a suggestion to apply a fee for selected secondary care services while keeping primary care free of out-of-pocket payment.
Whichever mechanism or combination we choose, in the end, it must be sustainable and must ensure that the most vulnerable are not marginalized.
Jamaica is on track to contend more sports at future Olympic Games. The Jamaica Rifle Association recently broke ground for the construction of a state-of-the-art air weapons range at its headquarters in Mountain View in Kingston.
This facility will fit right into those plans of ensuring that come 2016 or come 2020, we will have another sporting discipline in which Jamaica will not only be participating, but will be excelling in.
The range will garner part funding from the Sports Development Foundation for its construction and will be equipped to accommodate shooters with disabilities. And finally, senior teachers are being encouraged to help their younger counterparts. The charge came from President of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Clayton Hall, as he gave remarks at the Prime Minister's Medal of Appreciation for Service to Education Sunday.
To all the recipients of this prestigious award, I ask that you continue to be role models for the young teachers so that they will be inspired to do their best for every child with whom they come in contact daily in their classrooms.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.